We are at 40 St Botolph Street. We're going to see apartment 31, which is a 1-bedroom right there. So this is the elevator. You can take the elevator or the stairs to the 3rd floor. And the apartment is right here. It's a beautiful 1-bedroom. It's very spacious. You have ceiling fans here. You get good natural light, and the layout is also great. You have a spacious coat closet right here as you walk in, right by the front door. So that's the front door. Coat closet right there. To the right is the bedroom, and to the left is the kitchen and the bathroom. I'll back up a little bit so you can see everything. So kitchen has very good storage. You have lots of cabinet space, countertop space, there's a dishwasher. These windows are facing the building next door, but you do get better views from the bedroom. So here's the bedroom. You have French doors opening into the bedroom. And you can see how spacious it is. So this looks like a queen size bed, but you can fit a king, no problem at all. And here's another dresser. So more storage. And again, it's very, very spacious. And the bedroom is facing St Botolph Street, so you get really nice views here. You have city views from this side and this side as well. You can kind of see that. So here's another look at the bedroom. And you have the ceiling fan in the bedroom and in the living room here. And again, the layout is just perfect. There's almost no wasted space at all. All this square footage is usable. You can see they set up 2 work areas from home. And then here's the bathroom. It's a tub with a shower, and you have the window there. And it's in very good shape. And just one more look at the living room, and you can see now the sun's coming out. It's very bright here. Very good natural light, and it's all hardwood floors in the unit. All right, and then I'll show the common areas now. So again, this is the elevator that you can take, but you also have a staircase, and it's only 2 flights down the stairs. And as far as moving goes, you can see that the staircase is wide and open, so delivering furniture shouldn't be an issue. So 2 flights down. Actually, 3 flights down, so it's on the 4th floor. I was wrong. I thought it was the 3rd floor, but it's actually the 4th. So that's the front door. And here's the laundry room. This is the shared laundry for the building. So you have 3 washers and 3 dryers. There's the card machine, so you can load your card for the laundry. And I'll show the outside of the building. So this is the elevator that we saw earlier. And here's the front door. The mailboxes are right here. And this is the St Botolph Street itself. So the bedroom is that corner bow window, that rounded corner.